So on this short quick video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages updating. So first thing, open the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps page, now click on Snapchat like this, click on this force stop here and then click on the notifications management. So to stop this option of messaging update, all what you want to do is just turn off these notifications so you can't see the notification of the updating. Go back and now click on this data usage right here. Make sure that all these options are enabled and then click on the power usage details and click here down on force stop. That's it guys. Now restart your phone and reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.